Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of making money online in 2023. With the rapid advancements in technology and the growing digital landscape, there are endless opportunities for individuals to generate income right from the comfort of their homes. So, let's explore some exciting and innovative ways to make money online this year. One of the most popular and lucrative methods of making money online is through e-commerce entrepreneurship. Start by identifying a niche market with high demand. Conduct thorough research to understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Next, create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive features. Once your store is set up, source or create unique products to sell. Consider dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping process. To drive sales, implement effective marketing strategies such as social media advertising and influencer collaborations. Remember, your success will depend on how well you optimize your store for conversions and provide excellent customer service. If you have a passion for creating videos, writing, or expressing yourself through various forms of media, content creation might be the perfect avenue for you. Choose a platform that aligns with your interests and skills, such as YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. To stand out from the crowd, develop high-quality content that provides value and engages your audience. Find your unique voice and niche, and consistently deliver valuable content to attract and retain a loyal following. Monetize your content through various channels, including ad revenue, brand partnerships, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. The key to success in content creation is building a strong personal brand and actively engaging with your audience. Do you possess specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field? If so, consider leveraging your skills by offering online coaching or consulting services. Identify your area of expertise or passion, whether it's business, fitness, personal development, or any other field. Create a website or a landing page to showcase your services, experience, and credentials. Market yourself through social media platforms, content creation, and referrals. Offer coaching or consulting sessions through video calls or online platforms like Zoom or Skype. Remember, providing exceptional service and delivering tangible results are key to building a strong reputation and attracting new clients. If you have marketable skills like graphic design, writing, programming, or marketing, freelancing can provide a flexible and rewarding way to make money online. Determine your skills and create profiles on reputable freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Showcase your portfolio and skills to attract clients who are seeking your expertise. Deliver high-quality work within agreed-upon deadlines to establish trust and build a satisfied client base. Request testimonials and referrals from happy clients to further enhance your reputation and increase your earning potential as a freelancer. While online surveys and microtasks may not be the most significant income streams, they can provide a supplemental source of earnings. Many websites offer monetary rewards for completing surveys, watching videos, participating in online research studies, or performing small online tasks. Sign up for reputable survey websites and explore microtask platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. Although the earnings may be smaller, they can add up over time, especially if you dedicate consistent effort. If you have an interest in finance and a willingness to learn, online investing and trading can offer significant potential for generating income. Start by educating yourself about investing and trading through online courses, tutorials, and resources. Begin with small investments and gradually increase your portfolio as you gain experience and confidence. Choose reputable platforms for stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex trading, and stay updated with market trends and news. It's crucial to adopt a long-term investment strategy and exercise caution by doing thorough research before making any investment decisions. Many entrepreneurs and businesses require remote administrative, marketing, or customer support assistance. If you have skills in these areas, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your skills and market your services effectively. Join virtual assistant networks, online job boards, or freelancer platforms where potential clients actively seek assistance. Building strong relationships with your clients, providing exceptional service, and going the extra mile are key factors for success in this field. If you find yourself surrounded by unused items, online surplus sales can be a great way to declutter while making money. Take a look around your space and identify items you no longer need but could be valuable to others. Sell these items through popular online marketplaces such as eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. Capture high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions to attract potential buyers. Providing excellent customer service, responding promptly to inquiries, and shipping items securely and on time will help build your reputation as a reliable seller. Consider sourcing products from thrift stores or clearance sales to resell them online for a profit. And that's a wrap for today's video on how to make money online in 2023. We've covered a wide range of methods, from e-commerce entrepreneurship and content creation to freelancing, online surveys, investing, virtual assistants, and surplus sales. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. Choose the method that resonates with you the most, and remember that it may take time to see significant results. Stay focused, adapt to new trends, and always provide value to your audience or clients. The possibilities for making money online are endless, so don't hesitate to explore new opportunities and embrace the digital economy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next